All right, here's this example. 1 minute, go. Try it out. 1 minute.
You see that these types of problems where we have a formula is really just evaluating expressions, which I think we did in Unit 3, what was it, Lesson 2, which was part of the Solving Equations unit. So as long as you have the formula, well, you should be able to do any of these problems. And yeah, we do have a poster with that formula as well. So I'm going to start with the lateral area on this one as well, because it does ask for it right there. So that's pi times radius times the slant height, which they use L. And yeah, the order of these doesn't matter. You can do pi times L times R if you'd like. Doesn't matter. But I do see that the L there, the slant height, was given at 26.8 meters. And the radius, well, they gave us a diameter actually, which was 24 meters. So the radius is just going to be half that. 24 divided by 2 is 12 meters. So that's our radius right there at 12. So I replace the radius with 12 in my formula. And then I just plug this into the calculator to solve it. So let's see what the calculator gives us. Pi times 12 times 12, 26.8 rather. And this one I will round to the nearest tenth because that's what the assignment wants. So let's see, I kind of feel like I typed that in wrong, but I double checked and it looks like it's good. So that's 1010.336, and again, I'm just rounding to the nearest tenth. So 0.3, and again, we are looking at square meters on this one. So there's our first answer for lateral area. But we do need the total surface area. And yeah, we're just going to use the formula again. So that's pi times the radius times the slant height, L. And yes, we do have that value, but I'm still going to write the formula out. So pi times, and then add pi times the radius times the radius. Okay? So yeah, we do have this first part right here in the the lateral area. And yeah, that's actually what I'm going to do. I'm just going to, instead of actually rewriting this first part out, that is the lateral area. And we already know what that is in orange there. That's 1010.3 square meters. But I do still have to add pi times the radius times the radius. And the radius they didn't give us, but we found is 12. So times 12 times 12. So I'm just going to plug this directly into the calculator, which will tell me the full surface area of this cone. 1010.3 plus pi times 12 times 12. And I get 1,462 point. I got 689, so I'm going to round that to 7 right there. But again, we got square meters on that. So LA, the lateral area, 1,010.3 square meters. And in green, the total surface area is 1,462.7 square meters.